You guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be transparent about my furniture flips. Sometimes you cannot get something done in a day, and it's okay. Now, if you've been following along, I flipped a coffee table, which I did get done in a day, but sometimes things happen, and my drawer broke. So today I'm going to take you guys along how I fixed this drawer. First things first, I'm going to show you guys what I have to fix the furniture piece. I will then show you how the furniture is made, and then we can put it together. So I have my wood clips here. I have 4 of them. I might not have to use them, but I wanted to bring out as much as I needed just so I didn't have to go back and forth. I have my Type Bond 2 wood glue. I usually swear by the Type Bond 3. I didn't have any more, and I had this on hand, and that's still okay. I'm only fixing a drawer, so it'll still work, and it's water resistant, and it's for interior and exterior projects. I have my Type Bond wood glue stick that actually just helps you get into cracks and crevices and make sure that you spread the glue evenly. This is a Dovetail drawer, so it has these grooves right here on the end. All you have to do is stick it into place right here, and that's why you need your wood glue. When I wood glue my pieces, I let them sit for 24 hours or overnight or 24 hours. It just depends on what the project is and what type of wood glue you have. Let's get into the fun part.